Hi guys, welcome to the channel and thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new, welcome. In this channel we share methods on how to make money online. We also share remote jobs, so if you are new, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. To all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by. Judging from the title of this video, we're talking about Cloudworkers. If it's legit, does it really pay? So you have to stay tuned because I have a proof at the end of the video. So this is how the website looks like, and I am not go through everything. I'm just gonna go straight to the job description and then the requirement, then we go to the application process, then the proof of payment. So job description. So here they say our chat moderators are engaged in text-based online chat in one or more online social community platforms. Their objective is to animate those communities, stimulate conversations, and thereby cultivate long-lasting relationships. Creating an engaging and imaginative experience for customers is key to the success of the enterprise. Our chat moderators entertain customers, build rapport, and develop lasting relationship with customers by making the customers feel good about themselves. So being a chat moderator is not difficult at all. All you are going to do is to respond to messages, text messages. It's more like you're on your WhatsApp, you're only responding to messages. It's not one person that you're going to respond to. There's a lot of people. So this is what they expect from you, their requirement. It's your own PC or laptop with stable internet connection, the possibility to work as a freelancer, openness to adult dialogues. So you're going to need to be competent, spelling and grammar, ability and willingness to work just 12 hours per week, to at least 18 years old, open-minded, relaxed approach and good sense of humor, the capacity of being excited and stimulated by usual encounters. So this is what you can expect from them. A fast and reliable payment on a monthly basis, flexible and independent planning of working hours, a long-term, mutually beneficial working relationship, and then a reputable working environment, comprehensive training prior to starting your work, a personally assigned point of contact who is regularly available for consultation and advice, regular training and performance feedback to aid your professional development, salary that is above average and performance orientated. So I would say that you write your own check. It depends how much. The more you put in, the more you are going to be paid. But if you don't have a lot of time, so obviously you'll get the bare minimum. But if you work harder, then you can make a lot of money. So the application process is very simple. So you will click on apply now, then you're just gonna fill in your first name, email address, phone number, last name, your date of birth. Under Microsoft detail, it's going to be your email address and times available via telephone. So they are busy between Greenwich time, it's between 10 p.m. and I think 2, but during the day you can work as well, but it's not as busy as at night. And then the language you're applying for, you will choose if you have experience or not. How did you hear about them? Then you're just going to tell them about yourself. You click that small box, you submit the application. They're going to respond very fast. So now let's jump straight to my PayPal account. So I started with the company December last year. I got accepted December last year, so I worked the whole of December, but I wasn't working every day because I was still trying it out. So they paid me on the 8th of December, and I made 89.95 euros because it's not a full-time thing. I'm doing it part-time. And then on the 7th of February, I got paid 92.90 euros. And then on the 10th of March, I received 89.95 0.10 euros. So that's what I made so far. So yes, Cloudworkers is legit. They do pay. And if you're interested, you can click on the link on the description box or go on the website, search for them, apply, and get yourself some extra cash, because it's good to get some extra cash. So that's it from me today. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye.